Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trulia app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trulia is a real estate app designed to help users find rental properties and homes for sale. The app provides comprehensive listings with photos, floor plans, neighborhood insights, and price estimates. It also offers features such as saved searches, alerts for new listings, and detailed information about nearby schools, amenities, and crime rates. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Trulia for its intuitive interface and detailed property information. It allows renters and buyers to easily filter searches by price, property type, and other criteria. The neighborhood insights, maps, and crime data help users make informed decisions. Notifications about new listings or changes in property status keep users up to date. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional outdated listings or missing information. Full access to certain data may require creating an account, and in some areas, property coverage can be limited. The app's usefulness depends on the region and availability of active listings. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Trulia app may be worth using if you're looking to rent or buy property and want detailed neighborhood and property information in one place. It shines in usability, property details, and notifications, but occasional outdated listings or regional limitations may affect some users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.